In this video, I'm going to explain miscellaneous functions, M codes, which are very much required to write the CNC art program. The miscellaneous functions, also known as M codes, are a set of commands used in various programming and control systems to perform specific functions or operations. M codes are typically used to control auxiliary functions such as tool changes, coolant activation, spindle speed control, and other miscellaneous operations. The specific set of M codes and their functionalities can vary depending on the CNC machine and the control system being used. Different manufacturers may assign different meanings or functions to specific M codes. So here are some common miscellaneous functions, M codes, used in CNC machine. M00, program stop. This code pauses the program execution, allowing the operator to perform manual tasks or make adjustments before continuing. M01, optional program stop. M02, program end. M03, spindle on clockwise rotation. This code starts the spindle rotation in the clockwise direction at a predefined speed. M04, spindle on counterclockwise direction. This code starts the spindle rotation in the counterclockwise direction at a predefined speed. M05, spindle off. M06, tool change. This code initiates an automatic tool change, allowing the machine to switch to a different tool in the tool magazine. M07, mist coolant on. M08, flood coolant on. This code activates the coolant system, which sprays coolant or lubricant onto the workpiece and cutting tool to reduce heat and improve machining performance. M09, coolant off. This code deactivates the coolant system. M10, pallet clamp on. M11, pallet clamp off. M19, spindle orientation, oriented spindle stop. M20, program transfer from external storage. M21, mirror image about x-axis. M22, mirror image about y-axis. M23, mirror image about z-axis. M24, mirror image cancel. Whatever the previous mirror image will be there, that will be cancelled by using this code M24. M30, program end and rewind. This code makes the end of the program. M41, tool compensation cancel. M42, tool compensation right. M43, tool compensation left. And M44, tool compensation off. M48, override feed rate mode. M49, cancel override feed rate mode. M50, spindle speed override enable. M51, enable auxiliary functions. M52, disable auxiliary functions. M53, zero offset restore. M54, work coordinate offset override enable. M55, work coordinate offset override disable. M56, scaling enable. M57, scaling disable. M58, probing enable. M59, probing disable. M60, automatic pallet change in. M61, automatic pallet change out. M62, load workpiece into chuck. M63, unload workpiece from chuck. M64, stop workpiece coolant. M65, start workpiece coolant. M66, program stop with additional skip. M67, program stop without conditional skip. M68, spindle stop for door open. M69 spindle restart after door close, M78 threading on, M79 threading off, M98 call subprogramming, M99 written from subprogram. So keep in mind that this is not an exhaustive list and there may be additional M codes specific to certain machines or control systems. It's essential to refer to the documentation or programming manual provided by the machine manufacturer for the complete list of M codes and their corresponding functions. I hope everyone can understand what are the different M codes are used to write the CNC part program.